According to the UN, 6 billion people worldwide currently rely on fossil fuels, which generate over 34 billion tons of CO2 per year. Although the use of clean solar power has grown by an average annual rate of 24% over the last decade, the high cost, nearly $12,700 to equip a single household, keeps solar energy out of reach for billions.
And let's face it, traditional solar panels can be bulky and rigid. They don't adapt well to curved roofs, everyday appliances, electric vehicles, or IoT devices, areas that account for over 34% of global electricity consumption.
But with Regenix, all of this changes. I'm Karthik, CEO of Regenix.
I'm Rashab, CFO.
And I'm Sarah, CMO. We're putting an end to inaccessible solar technology by introducing a cost-effective, flexible, and adaptable solar cell, allowing billions of people to take part in the solar revolution for a more sustainable future. Traditional photovoltaic solar cells still account for over 99% of today's solar production, yet they are only able to harvest around 20% of available sunlight into energy. These silicone cells are prone to cracks and degrade quickly. Our approach changes the existing red ocean market, elevating existing fast-growing, high-performance perovskite solar cell technology to fit both commercial and household energy needs.
Meet Voto X and Voto Z, our signature photovoltaic solutions, built on low-cost screen printing and inkjet deposited perovskite layers. Our cells flex, adapt, and conform to the structural diversity of everyday surfaces, big or small. Perovskites are a naturally abundant class of crystalline compounds known for unmatched solar energy harvesting capabilities even in low-light settings, and are substantially more cost-effective to produce than traditional silicon-based cells, at roughly 10 cents per watt compared to 37 cents per watt.
Our secret weapon, a proprietary alginate xanthan biofilm that fights cracks, resists water, blocks UV rays, and molds effortlessly to any surface. This film is derived by repurposing sargassum, an invasive seaweed damaging marine ecosystems across the Atlantic and Caribbean, costing $13 billion in economic damage every year. By extracting alginate from sargassum and blending it with xanthan gum, we create transparent, flexible films that shield our perovskite cells from UV exposure and moisture, drastically extending their lifespan.
We tailored our solutions for different scales. Voto X, a 12 by 12 inch cell powering large companies to meet EPA solar energy usage requirements. Its high efficiency and lower cost mean fewer units are needed to achieve a significant impact, motivating businesses to repurchase when upgrading older systems. Voto Z, a 4 by 2 inch cell that's perfect for small businesses or household IoT devices, making clean energy accessible to everyone. Our technology is backed by rigorous testing. Compared to a standard perovskite solar cell, our alginate biofilm layering showed a 12% increase in power conversion efficiency and 98% performance retention after 300 hours of accelerated solar simulation. Thanks to our collaborations through COP29 and the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, over a dozen large-scale corporations and SMEs are on our waitlist, ready to power up with Regenix.
Our closest competitors, SunPower Corp and First Solar, who currently dominate the domestic solar cell market, lag behind existing technology, using silicon solar cells which degrade within 2 months of usage and cannot be used for individual usage or non-traditional surfaces. That's where Regenix stands out.
Through Regenix, we hope to eliminate the bulky, rigid form factor of traditional solar cells, reduce excessive manufacturing costs and rapid degradation, raise energy harvesting efficiency even in low-light conditions, and create an adaptable, alginate-based perovskite solution which customers across segments can use. Regenix comprehensively addresses common industry pitfalls, securing an unmatched competitive edge.
The market opportunity for Regenix is situated within a $1.8 billion serviceable obtainable market for solar cells at a 1% capture rate, with a focus on large corporations as well as eco-conscious SMEs that must meet green energy consumption targets. In Tier 2, we target businesses that do not have to meet national energy regulations and rely on non-renewable sources of energy due to their low cost per kilowatt of consumption. Next, in Tier 3, we expand beyond the limits of the existing market to target small businesses and individual households who do not have access to flexible and adaptable solar cell technology to meet their energy consumption needs. Regenix's total addressable market amounts to $219.35 billion, comprising the global solar energy market.
Each Voto X unit will be sold at a price of $200 per cell, while the price of Voto Z is $60.99. We expect to make $235,158 in revenue by 2025 and $32,220,117 in revenue by 2029, with a gross profit margin of 70%. In order to break even, earning back our operational and initial costs, a combined 219 units of Voto X and Voto Z must be sold. Join us in revolutionizing solar energy for every roof, every device, and every community.
The power to transform the future is literally in our hands.